It's almost pool season, and we have a bench by the pool that is in dire need of a new cushion. In this video, I'm going to be trying out this cushion and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is the bench that I'm referring to. It no longer has a cushion because the cushion didn't make it through last summer. So today, I'm going to be putting this one on it. It fits perfectly, which I love. The fabric is very thick. It feels like it should withstand the Florida sun and humidity. There are 3 sets of ties, one on each corner and then one in the center to keep it in place. This is really nice. It's nice and floofy. If you're looking for new outdoor cushions and you have a long bench or a long seat, I would highly recommend this one.